Okay, so here we have the QiMeng V2. So QiYi have decided to release another £5 budget 3x3. I mean, the thing is, especially when it sure, I'm selling it for £5, but wholesale it's quite a bit more expensive than a mail-on. So what does it have over the mail? Oh, interesting. That feels like a YuXin little magic. Just kind of QiYi-ified, but not even that QiYi-ified. Like it is. This does not feel like a QiYi cube. This feels like a updated YuXin little magic. It's weird when they just try cubes like this. Like, what are they hoping to achieve? Are they just seeing what people seeing any feedback people give when they release some cheap budget 3x3? Like, it doesn't affect their reputation really, because they only care about the Tornado V3 and just want to know what people think of a cube that feels very different from what I'd expect from QiYi. Yeah, this is like, if I was told this is a YuXin Little Magic V3, that sounds more reasonable to me. But ultimately, it's a good budget 3x3. I can't complain in that regard. It's decent. A bit concerning that I haven't got a sub 10 yet on this. Corner cutting. Yeah, it's slightly lacking in corner cutting. So yeah, there's not really much to say on this other than it's a decent £5 budget 3x3, but it's not really going to sell very well. Not many people are going to want it, but it's just slightly different design to experience. It'll be interesting to try it magnetised. I might magnetise it at some point, but for now, yeah, it's okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.